like that all day.
I need color.
You need this.
Jergens Natural Glow Moisturizer.
It gives you that kiss by the sun glow.
Wow.
Better, right? I'm not here with anybody. You're more than just a pretty face. Jergens.
A leading consumer testing publication recently tested the top laundry detergents. The winner, Persil 2-in-1, didn't only beat Tide, it beat every single detergent tested. Boom. Switch to Persil Pro Clean 2-in-1, #1 rated.
Just press clean and let Roomba help with your everyday messes. A full suite of sensors automatically guides Roomba throughout your home, cleaning under furniture, along edges, and in corners. And with its powerful 3-stage cleaning system, Roomba picks up pet hair, dust, and debris for up to 2 hours, recharging itself when it needs to, which means your floors are always clean. You and Roomba from iRobot. Better together.
With the new Money Monopoly game at McDonald's, you've got a 1 in 4 chance of winning from over 100 million food and cash prizes. It's hard to find better odds. The odds of winning from items like this Big Mac. The odds of scoring a hole in one. The odds of winning from items like these Chicken McNuggets. The odds of your taxes being audited. The odds of your auditor winning from delicious items like these. There's a 1 in 4 chance of winning from all these items.